Hi, I'm Deanna Carroll with Ivycreates. Do you like to learn things? Well, I do too, and I learn anything I can possibly get my hands on or what have you, because I do like to work with my hands a lot. I hope you'll join me and watch a lot of my videos and enjoy the crafting of it. Enjoy my, join my Facebook page, Deanna Carroll. Go to my website, ivycreates.com. And watch my YouTube videos. That's what they're here for. Not costing you anything, to learn for free. And I always love to learn new skills, so I'm hoping that I'm finding my tribe that's going to learn new skills with me. I already have a lifetime of floral design under my belt, interior design, faux finishing. I'm certified in all of those things. I've been a business coach. I have a real estate license. I have so many things. I've owned my own store location with all Mississippi artisans. I am from the Mississippi Gulf Coast, and I really enjoy teaching to people. That is like my love, and teaching them things that I know. And so I want to share, and I want to help you find your gifts, because I do believe totally that everybody has a gift. It might be a gift that's completely different from being creative and crafty and a painter and all those things. But as I have done, I switch back and forth between technology and being creative or artistic jobs. So, like I said, I've done showroom design. I've owned my own craft store. At one point, I worked as a medical assistant for a neurologist, which is totally out of my league there. I worked for telecom companies, CenturyTel, Alltel, and T-Mobile for 15 years. I was a general manager of multiple locations. So I have 163 certifications just through them, just through those things. So please join me, and I hope that you get some good learning out of whatever I'm showing you, and I hope that maybe you just enjoy watching me create things or share my gifts with you. So please feel free to join us and watch the videos and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any that we might have coming up every week. Thank you very much.